How we doing today? If you have a pontoon boat or an aluminum boat, then this video right here is for you. I'm sure from taking the boat to the water, you have a water line running across your pontoon or the bottom of your boat. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean that water line off for 100% free. That's right, I know that nothing in life is free, but trust me, in this video I'm going to show you two things that are 100% free. First thing, how to clean the pontoons or your aluminum boat. Second thing, subscribing to this channel. Both 100% free. I promise you it's not going to cost you anything. You're already going to be doing it. Either way, you're sitting here watching the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And at the end of the video, if you like what you see and you take your boat out and this works, then hey, give us a big old fat thumbs up, leave some comments. But I'm going to show you how to clean these pontoons or your aluminum boat for 100% free. Now this will work on a fiberglass boat, but you have to be very, very careful not to scratch your gel coat, because it will scratch your gel coat if you get any shell in there. So if you ever try to clean your pontoon, you know it's a pain in the butt. Usually requires some kind of pressure washer and some kind of chemicals that, you know, some of them can be very expensive. So in this video, we're fixing to show you how to do it for 100% free. And like I said, subscribing is free. So without further ado, let's go. Next time you're at the sandbar, get you some sand. Wipe it on. Takes it right off. So easy, a kid can do it. You got it? Do it. Do the line.
Completely gone.
No, do the water line. Make sure you don't have no rocks in your hand or shells. There you go. You get the point. Cat did have pontoon already. Alright, rinse it off. There you go. Sand, water line. Done. What?
And it has to be like sand, like good sand. That sand that would be like really bad.
It just can't be mud.
Yeah, it can't be mud. It has to be.
Is she going under that?
I think so.
Told you, 100% free. Now, when you take your boat to the sandbar and you're cleaning it, the only thing that you have to worry about, you have to make sure that that sand does not have any kind of rocks or chipped up oyster shells or mussel shells, anything other than just sand. Just kind of pick it up, look at it, and make sure it's good clean sand. It could have a little bit of grit in it, but it's not going to hurt. But if it has shells or rocks or anything, it can scratch. So we definitely don't want to do that. So like I said, you like this video, you get something out of it, you take your boat out, man, that was beautiful advice. Hit this video with a good thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. It is 100% free. Thanks for watching.